Hey class, it's Paul. We're going to go over the center's purpose, role, and interaction within the crisis management and emergency operations for week 7, and let's get into it. I'm going to try to get it within 2 to 5 minutes this time instead of going the full 20. So enjoy the show. Defining EOCs, you have emergency operations centers. They're a centralized coordination hub for leaders, agencies working together and to effectively manage incidences. They ensure streamlined communication, resource allocation, decision making, just a centralized hub to execute on different components within emergency operations. You have the core functions within EOC, which it has the information gathering, coordination, collecting, analyzing information of what's going on within the different crises, whether it's national, regional, local, etc. You have coordinating not resorts, resources. Coordinating resources and decisions. You have resource coordination and decision support. The EOCs ensure efficient allocation of resources across various agencies during emergency situations. And there's also policy making through real-time data analysis and communications, facilitating informed decision making during crises. So you have different components there that lead to effective operations if done correctly. Business and industry, you have the protecting of people and assets. It's not only the population, but it's the population plus business and the functions economically within the business world. If you look at different incident impact, you have disruptions, managing different facility disruptions, operations to supply chains, manufacturing, services, etc., food. You have cybersecurity impacting the ability to function as well because it'll attack your phones, tablets, your home devices, computers, etc. And then you have, the organization has functional coordination of roles, clear communication pathways that are established, role-based responsibilities and define. The NIMS has structured incident command management, unified coordination across agencies, and enhanced accountability and efficiency. So it's just really bringing together the ability to service a crisis when it happens and be able to coordinate it instead of it having being haphazard, where resources can be allocated and combined for effective operations. If you look at timeline compliance, you have 2003, 2006, 2010, 2017, and even more recently, 2026. You have different components, and standardization is one of the big key components for effective centralization in operations within a crisis. If you have a standardized template towards SOPs, you are able to kind of put it together for all the different functions within local, regional, and federal levels to coordinate and work together instead of working against each other. And it's about adopting, also having business and industry involved as well. Effective EOC interaction, you have city and utility, for example. If the local municipal levels during a storm, after it's cleared out, you have the electricity utility companies working with the local city public groups and emergency management services to restore power and gas, water services, and the like. You also have the communication down the line to make sure that those are effectively put together. Then effective EOC interactions with hospitals. Obviously, if you have a lot of serious casualties, you want to be able to coordinate the emergency management with hospitals, local triage centers, and then all the health professionals that are involved. You want to have the proper planning around that as well, because if you don't have doctors, you're not going to be able to save a lot of patients, as well as the materials and supplies that a hospital needs. And the final component is you have to also have effective transportation management. You have to move things back and forth. You might not have all the supplies you need, so you have to get them in and out. That's part of how to create very effective emergency response aspects. So You look at the coordination, communication, infrastructure, technology, and planning, and you combine that together, and plus the ability to transport things back and forth, creates a winning team. Thanks again, guys. It was fun presenting this, and look forward to your comments.